How to deposit SUI token from Binance to SUI wallet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to your SUI wallet and open it up. Once you open this one up, make sure that you are logged into your account. And on the top here on your account section, you'll have this drop down. And you can just copy your wallet address from here. Once you've copied your wallet address, you can go to your Binance and then head over to the wallet section. Then click on deposit and then click on withdraw. From here, you just need to make sure that you have certain SUI token available on your Binance. And once you tap on withdraw, search for SUI and then click on send via crypto network. Then paste the address right here that you've just entered, copied, and then enter the withdrawal amount. Once you enter the amount, you can just go ahead and click on withdraw. But as you can see here, it's going to require some network transaction fee. So make sure that your Binance has sufficient balance to cover this fee as well as the amount that you are sending. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.